are construction vehicles. Excavator, excavator, I am an excavator, digging the ground. Dump truck, I am a dump truck, carrying the dirt. Bulldozer, crane, we are construction vehicles. That's right, bulldozer, I am a bulldozer, pushing the dirt. Crane, I am a crane, lifting up high. Cement mixer, loader, we are construction vehicles. That's what, cement mixer, I am a cement mixer, spinning around. Loader, I am a loader, scooping and carrying. Road roller, forklift, we are construction vehicles. Road roller, I am a road roller, rolling the road. Forklift, I am a forklift, lifting up boxes. We are construction